One here, I should not put one here, but it was lumpy, and I didn't want it to be lumpy. And right on the side, you can hardly see them because I went ahead and used this my son's model paint kit. They have different colors. I used the black gloss just to tone a little the screws, just to give it a little touch so it won't look too tacky. I didn't like the way it was looking, so here's the screws. Yep, this is the kind right there. So what I used, I went ahead and lined it up first, and got my drill. Got a little drill bit. Drilled it in. That way I don't put force on the molding. And once it's drilled in, quick, I put the drill bit, and then I just put the screw in. Nice and secure, so in case somebody leans on it, or the rain or whatever, I don't have to worry about it falling off. This is it. Get in there. Get in there. Thanks for watching. Man.